In today's episode, I'm trying to live in my car down by the Shenandoah River, but there was an unexpected change in plans and I found myself camping in the Blue Ridge Mountains instead. If you're new here, hi, I'm Sydney and I've been living and traveling the country in my Volvo XC90 for 2 years. I kick this episode off on my way to the river. Hello my friends, welcome back to another episode. I am currently on my way to try to find a campsite on the Shenandoah River in Virginia. They might all be taken, there might be 1,000 people there might be nobody there, I don't know. We're gonna find out together. That's part of the fun. I'm having to dodge all these down tree limbs. It stormed for probably a week straight here. Oh, there's a deer up there. So the river's gonna be pretty high. Also, I have not really been living in my car. I've been at home. I've just been going on little camping trips. I think this will be the last one in my Volvo though for, I don't know, the next little couple episodes. I don't know how many there will be in the next series, but flash flood area. Oh no. River is right there. Oh, no way. Guys. Dude, nobody's at the spot. Maybe they got scared the river was gonna flood because it rained all week. I can't believe I just snagged the spot. Guys, I'm gonna go check this site out. Dude, I literally got a site on the river. I love it. There's a fire ring right here. There's geese in it there. So does this mean I became what they warned you about? Little hippie girl living in her car by the river? This is so fun. I have to let my mom know I'm here. Oh, my mom also got me this new water bottle. I've been at home for like a month. At camp. Send. It's like kind of sweaty. It's sweaty, yeah. It's hot. I'm sweaty. I brought a coloring book because I knew I wouldn't have service, so I have that to do if I get bored. I don't have anything to edit right now because I'm in between everything. So these are all my markers. Alright, I think I'm going to put a dress on actually and take some pictures by the river, and also it's kind of hot out. Okay, got my dress on. Go to the river. I say go to the river like I have to walk more than 10 feet. Slips and falls. I found this path back here.
car is up there somewhere. I'm gonna see if there's any better places to take pictures. Oh, there's a fire ring back here. That's so cool. Ooh, yep. Okay, I'm gonna take some pictures right there. I took enough pictures that I put my regular clothes back on, and I'm going to follow this trail that I found deep. Let's see how far I can go. This looks like a nice little place to dip my toes. Ooh, that water is cold. Oh my gosh. That does feel quite nice though. It's just so warm out today. But it's not really. It's like 70 something, but it feels like it's like 85. Oh, that feels really so Did you guys notice that I have new river shoes? Which means this is a great time to tell you guys about today's sponsor. Thank you, Camel Crown, for sponsoring today's episode. They sent me these hiking sandals and I tried them on and I've been wearing them all day and they are incredibly comfortable and I haven't noticed any rubbing or blisters, especially after being in the water. They also have 3 adjustable straps, which helps you fit it to your foot essentially the way that you would like it. The sandals also have a contoured insole with arch support to reduce foot pressure, which is noticeable as soon as you put them on. Also, these sandals are perfect with anything you're wearing. You can wear them with jeans, you can wear them in outdoor clothes, or you can wear them with a summer dress. So I highly recommend you guys check these sandals out. Go to the link right here, and there's a code in my description below. Well, that was fun. Okay. I received service for a split second and I saw something really important that I have to tend to on my phone. So I actually have to go drive and get service. And then I will return here and see if the campsite's open. It might not be. But if it's not, I'll just go camp in the mountains. That girl's definitely gonna take my spot. Should I even try to come back here? I'm gonna go get service, make a call, and I will catch up with you when that's done. Alright, my friends, phone call has been taken care of, everything has been taken care of. It is about 6:30 and I need to go find camp. I don't think I'm gonna go back to the river just because I think that person who was already there was waiting for that spot. Like, she wanted that spot. And it's kind of out of my way. So I'm going to just scale a mountain and go camp in the mountains past Luray. I'm in Luray right now, Virginia. And it is such a cute little town. All right. Time for me to scram. You guys, look at that old truck right there. That's so cool. Okay. I didn't expect this in the middle of my peaceful, calm, chill river camping experience tonight, but it is what it is. Look how cute this town is. Oh my gosh. actually don't want to look at how high I am. Whoa, that is scary. Oh, that's so scary. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Holy moly. Ah! Oh my gosh, that is actually terrifying. Oh! Woo! I'm pulling over right here just because I can. Oh my gosh, you guys! Oh! Oh! Gosh. This country just makes me want to cry all the time because of how beautiful it is. I have to go downhill. Great. Okay. Okay, I'm turning onto the road that I've actually camped off of this road before. It was the first night I spent in my Tahoe, actually. There's the George Washington National Forest sign. But the gate was closed, so I had to originally go down that road, and I camped down there. But the gate is open, so. Here's where the gate was in the winter time. I think I have found the spot. There are a bunch of trees down here. It did just storm for a week straight. Camp, ladies and gentlemen, part 2. You guys, weren't those drone shots insane? It makes me want to be like, Virginia is my new favorite state, and it's funny because I live here. I got 3 hot dogs and 3 buns. I brought 3 because they were frozen together. Sounds fine. I'm honestly not even that hungry, but I feel like I should eat. I didn't really eat that much today, so. You guys think I can do a pull-up on this? Probably can't. Oh, that feels nice. Condiments. Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna burn my mouth, probably. This is cursed. This is so cursed. I'm gonna taste test one of these puppies. Hot dogs are the best. Like, prove me wrong. Okay, I think I'm gonna go on a little baby walk. Also, it's kind of getting cold. Okay, I'm gonna go get some steps in. Oh, I just want to say that I love my car so much, and I almost sold it. I don't know if I said that, but I almost did. And I just realized I'm just too attached. She's never getting sold. I'm running her into the ground. Did you guys hear that mud? Ew. Just washed my face, so I'm getting in. Sits on water bottle. You guys, today has been fun. Okay, I think I'm going to maybe start editing this video because I really don't have much to do. Maybe I'll color for a bit, or maybe I'll read a book. I don't know where my Hunger Games book went. So just in case, I brought Grapes of Wrath to start. So maybe I'll start a book, I don't know. Hi, good morning. I slept way later than I thought. I woke up at like 6:30 and then I fell back asleep and it's almost 10. My mom, I think, is probably freaking out because I usually am up by now. Man, it's actually really nice out. I'm going to end this video here now that you all know that I survived the night. Not sure that my mom does because my messages won't go through. Sorry, Mom. I'm alive. Thank you all so much for watching. It means the world to me. As you guys know, if you would like to support my channel even further, I have a Patreon with behind the scenes and deleted scenes videos on there. And pictures and thumbnails and that whole thing. So, yeah. I'm gonna try to get out of here. The mud might be kind of iffy, but we'll see. Let's see if she starts. Oh. Okay. Let's see if I can get out of here. Momentum, right? Oh, piece of cake. Ain't no thing. Alright, my friends, I will see you on the next adventure.